Everyone wants passive income. Nobody wants passive work. That's the problem. Social media sold you a fantasy. Build once, earn forever. Sounds good. But here's the truth. Passive income is not easy. It is not fast. And most people fail. Not because it's fake, but because they approach it completely wrong. Today, I'm breaking down the brutal truth. No hype, no fake motivation, just reality. This is Smart Wealth USA. On this channel, we build systems, not dreams. If you actually want financial growth in 2026, you need to understand this. Because if you don't fix these mistakes now, you will waste years chasing income that never comes. Let's get into it. Step 1. The expectation trap. Most beginners expect results in 30 days. That alone destroys them. You post a few videos, no views. You buy a stock, no explosion. You launch a product, no sales. And then, you quit. Passive income is front-loaded work. Heavy effort, zero applause. Our delayed reward. If you can't handle silence, you can't build passive income. The money comes later. The grind comes first. Step 2. Confusing activity. With assets, posting content is activity. Buying random crypto is activity. Starting something is activity, but activity is not an asset. Assets generate consistent output. Systems generate repeat results. Most people jump from trend to trend. Affiliate today. Crypto tomorrow. Dropshipping next week. No depth, no system, no compounding. Wealth is built through repetition, refinement, reinvestment, not random action. Step 3. Skipping the skill phase. Here's something people hate hearing. Before passive income comes active skill income. You must learn something valuable. Marketing, content creation, sales, investing. Money flows towards skill, not hope. Every successful person you see earning passively first mastered something actively. They built leverage on top of skill. The beginners want automation without foundation. That shortcut does not exist. Step 4. Lifestyle. Inflation. Let's say you finally make extra money. What happens? New phone, better clothes, upgrade lifestyle, instead of reinvesting. That kills momentum. Passive income grows through compounding. Compounding requires reinvestment. Reinvestment requires discipline. If every dollar you earn gets spent, your system never scales. Wealth is built quietly, not shown loudly. Step 5. Quitting in the silent phase. Every passive income stream has a silent phase. No views, no comments, no growth, just effort. This is where 90% quit. The successful 10%? They stay, they improve, they adjust, they don't panic. Consistency beats intelligence, patience beats hype, and silence is part of the process. If you survive the quiet stage, you enter the compounding stage. That's where real growth begins. Final message. Passive income is real, but it is not magic. It requires skill, time, system building, reinvestment, and emotional control. If you understand this now, you are already ahead of most beginners. Stop chasing shortcuts. Start building foundations. Because smart wealth is not built fast, it's built correctly. If you're serious about real financial growth, subscribe to Smart Wealth USA. We don't chase noise here, we build power.